Introducing the latest in hair care excellence, featuring an upgraded look and feel and enhanced performance. This is the next generation Laifen SE2. Beneath its striking exterior lies a truly incredible hair care experience, powered by an innovative brushless motor. Coupled with comprehensive design enhancements, the SE2 delivers hair drying performance like never before. The improved airflows dramatically increase hair drying efficiency, allowing you to breeze through your routine in as little as 1 minute, so you can start your day right. The temperature is monitored to protect your hair from heat damage, and the negative ion generator tightens hair cuticles, leaving hair soft and shiny. The all-new Child Mode offers gentle, low-temperature airflows that are soft on children's hair. And with its noise reduction technology, pets can use it too. Combining form, function, and performance, this is your hair care routine upgraded. This is the Laifen SE2 high-speed hair dryer.